Hi everyone, it's Kylara, and I am coming to you today to show you my monthly hero subscription box. I've been getting this box for, I would say, about 8 months, maybe 7, and I absolutely love it. So let's just dig right in and I will show you what comes with this month. So I do want to let you know that these kits do sell out very quickly. So go in early, sign up for it. The first Monday of each month we offer an exclusive kit, only available until it sells out. Or if you have subscribed previously, you will get every monthly kit until you unsubscribe from the kit. This gives you a little bit of information. So for those of you in the United States, you get free shipping on $50 orders. So let's just see what we have here. So I've kind of unboxed it. So it usually looks a little prettier than what you see presently. So these are the inks that come in this month's kit, and they are absolutely gorgeous. So let's move this over, and I am going to show you the inks. They are so vibrant. I am really excited to play around with these because wait till you see the colors. Now, the one thing that I have realized is there is no name for the inks on the ink cube, but I think if I was to go to the website, I'd be able to find the names of the inks that I have. So, and that came with each kit. Oh my goodness. The lid did not want to come out of that baby. So let's move this box out of the way so there's no shadow. And I'm in frame, and so let's show you that. Isn't that pretty? And let's go. Oh, aren't those amazing? Oh, this one's gonna cause me some issues to get off the lid. My arthritis isn't cooperating with me today. Oh, now come on. Oh, that's a beautiful color. Goodness. Oh, I'm not going to be able to open this one. There we go. So they're all really nice, vibrant jewel tones. And I'm looking forward to sitting down and playing with these, as I haven't had a chance to sit down and just play with my stamps in quite a while. So aren't they beautiful? I told you they were nice. So we also get a beautiful stencil. And this is the beautiful stencil that we get. And I'm going to grab a piece of paper here so that you can see it better. Isn't this beautiful? I think that this will look really nice with some texture paste and a little bit of ink distress on top. And we also got some enamel shapes, glitter enamel shapes. There's copper, gold, and silver. And we got a package of the flat back gems and a very light blue flat back pearl. light blue. So then the stamps usually come wrapped in a ribbon or twine or cording, and I always keep that and add it to whatever I decide to make with my kit. And this is the piece de resistance. So here we have the beautiful stamp set, and let me pull it out, and the dies are just as stunning. Oh, my hands are not willing to cooperate today. I had to pause to be able to get that out of the baggie, and I had to rip the baggie to get it out. So I always want to show the paper that the stamps and the dies come on, because I've seen so many people that actually incorporate this background into their card making and their projects. Every month there's a different background, and as you can see, this would be beautiful on a card and any project really. So I always use that as well. This is one of those kits that just keeps on giving. So here are the stamps this month. We have a beautiful dune hills, or you could use them as mountains. It says, "You are my oasis. I'd cross the Sahara for you. Life is an adventure. Another day in paradise. You light up the night. Let's fly away, and I will never desert you." So we have a beautiful camel and some lanterns, and a beautiful couple here with some vases, and we've got the flying carpet, some beautiful palm trees, and another little camel, some stars, the moon, a snake, a little watering hole with a caravan of camels, and a beautiful tent, and there's a little pillow. The possibilities for this set is endless. Last month we actually got a more of a traditional Christmas one, so I'm actually glad that this is what we got for December's kit, because most people are done their Christmas cards and their Christmas projects or are finishing them, so this is perfect for me. And last but not least are the metal dies. So normally we get dies that do fit some of these stamps. Now obviously they don't have them all, but they do have majority of them, and this here is the fancy die, and this actually is 2 dies in one, because this outer frame will then sit upon the lattice window. And I have seen this cut, and it is stunning, absolutely stunning. So here is the contents of the kit this month, and like I said, they do sell out relatively quickly. So if you'd like to try and get their kit, I would suggest signing up for a subscription, and then you can cancel. But I'm pretty sure that you will like it just as much as the rest of us do. Thank you. And again, this is the kit for my monthly hero, Creativity in a Box. And this is my unboxing. And I hope you enjoyed the products. Please make sure that you sign up for this subscription as soon as possible, so that you guarantee that you get the kit for the next mail out season. Thank you very much. Bye.